Amaretti cookies are like synonymous with Italian celebrations. The nonni, the aunts, everybody will come with their version of cookies. You'll always find these really colorful, either pink or green, and they're based with almond flour. And it's gluten-free, which none of the Italians ever knew, but they just like the taste of it. We are here in the kitchen for another edition of Vince's at Home. And this week, Kristen, you are making a holiday/winter special.
Yes, I make these every holiday season. They are Amaretti cookies, Italian almond cookies.
Your way is I really like. They're plain, but you add a little bit of icing sugar.
They're rolled in icing sugar.
And
they
cracks.
crack when you bake them. I usually put a little bit of food coloring in to make them like pink or green.
Yeah, so with the holidays coming up, you're gonna do some red and green almond cookies.
2 1/4 cups of this almond flour, 1 cup of sugar. You just need a pinch of salt. We're just gonna mix that all together. 2 large egg whites. So we're gonna use the egg whites in the carton.
Smart.
2 tablespoons is the egg white. So we'll do 4 tablespoons of egg whites. Just a 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice. That went very well, I thought.
I thought it was gonna
The seeds would go in. I know, that was good, right? Beat these egg whites until they come to stiff peaks. So you see these egg whites, they're transforming.
They are transforming.
Yeah, they're becoming
Stiff peaks.
fluffy, and we'll see if they have stiff peaks.
Stiff peaks. Nope, they do not appear to be stiff peaks yet. You don't seem deterred.
A little bit more. Into the dry ingredients. 1/2 teaspoon of the almond extract.
A little bit goes a long way.
Oh yeah, the almond extract is pretty strong.
Oh yeah.
That's it. You just have to mix it until it forms a dough. Mix it together with your hands. We'll do 2 different colors. So we'll put 1/2 of it in another bowl. We'll do 1 red and 1 green.
How many drops?
Just a couple drops.
It's Christmas.
That's good. 3 drops is good. Okay, 4. All right. 1 for good luck. Okay, and then you just mix it until the color is even.
I know, you usually make them pale. I put too much food coloring.
I make them pale.
But I like this because it's for Christmas.
Okay, you can make them as bright as you want them. I usually make them pale, so it's just like a hint of color.
You know, I think Santa would love these cookies.
Oh yeah, I think so too. So
this
that's
looks
what
good.
it's gonna look like after you mix it together. We'll just put some icing sugar in this bowl. Pull off a little 1-inch ball.
Yep.
Roll it, toss it in the icing sugar, and then just put them about 1 inch apart.
This is a kid-friendly recipe.
Totally.
I don't think mine are equal in size, but whatever.
That's pretty big. That's okay.
It's whatever. It's a Giancarlo one.
So you could add a cherry, like a maraschino cherry. You could add a coffee bean and mix a little bit of espresso powder in the mixture if you want to do a coffee flavored.
But you do it now, right? You'd push it in now?
You would push it into the middle now. You could do an almond, like a whole almond or a blanched almond, but we're just gonna make these ones plain.
I have a multitude of sizes here.
That's okay, they're homemade.
Okay.
We double the pan so that the bottoms don't get too brown. And now we're just gonna pop them in the oven for about 25 minutes. And they're cooked at a low heat at 300 degrees. I'll switch those halfway through so they bake evenly.
We added a little bit of sugar to our espresso and then tamped it. And now it's perfect because now we can have a beautiful cookie. So I'm gonna eat one of the ones I made. Oh, so I see, yeah, so the bottoms don't like get dark.
So it's just a little bit golden, but the double pan protects it from getting too dark.
Perfect. Awesome. Really good job, honey.
Thank you.
Santa would love these, I think, this year.
And we can leave Santa one of these too, maybe
Yeah,
decaf.
yeah, decaf.